Miss Williams. This is my audience member number 1. Audience member number 2. Today I'm going to be talking about fetal alcohol syndrome. It is a permanent yet preventable condition. In this speech, I want to talk about what exactly fetal alcohol syndrome is, the symptoms, the physical characteristics of a child or person with fetal alcohol syndrome, and how to prevent it. Fetal alcohol syndrome is a condition that is caused by excessive alcohol consumption during pregnancy. And it is also the leading cause of preventable birth defects, mental retardation, and learning disabilities. And many people ask, how much alcohol is too much to consume while pregnant? My answer to that is no alcohol at all should be consumed while you are pregnant. Alcohol should be avoided by all means if you even think that you are pregnant. Some symptoms of fetal alcohol syndrome include heart defects, organ dysfunctions or failures, hearing, vision difficulties, delayed development, unusual behavior, and it always includes brain damage, moderate to severe. With that being said, I want to show you the brain of a normal 6-week-old baby and a baby of 6 weeks that has fetal alcohol syndrome. As you can see, the one with fetal alcohol syndrome is significantly smaller and not very well structured. Okay, with that being said, my sister has the agenesis of corpus callosum, and this is basically a structure of 200 million nerves that connect the right and left hemispheres of the brain, which is this piece right here that is highlighted. And if it is missing or partially missing, the child or person could have delays in walking, talking, reading, clumsiness, and it can have challenges with social interactions, mental and social processing problems. So, the next thing I want to talk about is the physical characteristics of a child or person with fetal alcohol syndrome. As you can see on this picture, the child has a very small head circumference, low nasal bridge, epicanthal folds, which is basically the middle folds of the eye, a flat mid-face, smooth philtrum, which is the piece underneath your nose and above your upper lip, and also containing a thin upper lip, short nose, and underdeveloped jaw. And it is also hard to believe that because that it is
100% preventable, probably.
no, that 1 in 750 children in the U.S. are born with fetal alcohol syndrome each year, according to kidshealth.org. And I want to remind you that the only way to prevent this condition is to not consume any alcohol at all, if you even think that you are pregnant. As a review, you know that what fetal alcohol syndrome is, that it is a permanent yet preventable condition. You know that the people or children that have this condition suffer greatly with the symptoms they have. You've seen the different physical characteristics of the child with fetal alcohol syndrome, and the only way to prevent fetal alcohol syndrome is to not drink. any alcohol while you are pregnant. And that is the only way that your child will have fetal alcohol syndrome. Thank you. Here are my two audience members again. Audience member number 1, number 2.